All right, now we're doing 7Q, form the minimum. This is by Mr. Zizo Scream, and 94% of people like it. We'll be given a list of digits. We're going to return the smallest number that could be formed from any of these digits. Using the digits only once, we're going to ignore duplicates. Notes, only positive integers will be passed into the function, anything above 0, so there will be no negatives or zeros. So on this one, here's some numbers. The minimum value is 13. Not that easy to tell yet, but we'll keep going. Here's another thing. Our minimum number is 579. Hopefully you can start to see a pattern developing. Here's another set of numbers, right? And then here's the numbers that came out. And if you didn't see the pattern by then, I'll tell you about the pattern now. If you can see it, it's starting with the lowest here, going in ascending order, all right? So basically all we have to do is get this number, put it into an array as a set to get rid of the duplicates, sort it in ascending order, join it together, turn it into a number, all right? And I'll show you how we're going to do that. So right now we're going to turn this into a concise syntax, const right there, min value equals values, and then the rest of this is going to turn into an arrow, all right? So on this one, we're going to start by making this a set, okay? So if you don't know what a set is, the set object lets us store unique values of any type, whether primitive values or object references, right? The main idea of a set is a value in the set may only occur once, all right? It is unique in the sets collection, all right? So and also let me show the syntax we're going to use. We're going to use this new set, because that's how you make a new set. So we're going to say new set, and inside the set we're going to have values, all right? Right now though, this isn't going to do us any good because it needs to be in an array, because right now it's an object, all right? So we need to put this into an array. So I mean, we can do this right here, but at the same time it's still an object in an array. So we've got to make this able to be an array right now. So to do that, we're going to use spread syntax, which allows an iterable such as an array or string to be expanded in places where 0 or more arguments or elements are expected. And there we go. So we're just going to take this and we're going to go like this, ... and now this is an array, right, of the values with no duplicates. Now we're going to put this in order using sort, and the sort method basically sorts stuff. Usually we have to use a function, but since this is just in normal ascending order, we're just going to use sort like this. So we're going to say a dot sort like that, and now we're going to join it together because now it's just an array of numbers in order. So we're going to join it together using the join method, which creates and returns a new string by concatenating all of the elements in an array separated by commas or a specified separator string. And we're just going to separate it by the spaces in between characters, so it's all joined together. So we're going to say dot join, right like that, okay? And now we've got to turn this into a number because right now it's a string. So we're going to use this unary plus, because the unary plus operator precedes its operand and evaluates to its operand, but attempts to convert it to a number. All right, so if it can be converted to a number, it will be, and this is definitely a string of digits. So yeah, we do that, and now it should work. Let's test it out. Good. Attempt it. There we go. 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond. Can't get too much better than that. All right, let's submit it. All right, and here's the best practice. Pretty much the same thing. Instead of parse int, instead of the unary plus, they're using parse int. Instead of making this a one-liner, they're just making array up here equal r. And instead of doing the thing where we, what did we do? Where we used the brackets with the spread syntax, they just used array.from. Instead, you know, it's all just a preference. It's all pretty much the same deal. So best practice, in my opinion, it's going to be 10 of us plus these folks, and very much like this. And we'll see you next time.